Cough in adults. A sudden cough is most commonly caused by a virus, like a cold or flu. Smokers, people with lung issues like asthma, and those with allergies like hay fever often have longer lasting coughs. Coughs can also be caused by COVID-19, infections, heartburn, medicines, or dusty workplaces. Rarely, they might signal something serious, like lung cancer. Coughs typically last 3 weeks, but can last 8 weeks. They can be dry or with thick mucus. If you have a viral cough, antibiotics won't help and might do more harm than good. Drink 6 to 9 glasses of water each day and get plenty of rest. If you can, stop smoking and vaping. Your cough is likely to get better in the longer term. Your pharmacy team can help with treatment advice. They can also help to signpost you to other health services if needed. Seek immediate help if you cough up blood or become breathless. Mind and body. For more information about cough in adults, take a look at our fact sheet, which you'll find on our website. The Self-Care Forum. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn or X.